There are machines that don't just do the work, they practically sell for you. These are devices that turn simple materials into high-demand products, perfect for starting a business without complications. Today, I'll show you 10 of them, compact, practical, and designed so you can launch your business from home or a small workshop. So stick around, because one of these machines could be your next source of income. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. Nail making machine. What would you think if I told you that you can turn wire into money every day without even leaving your house? With this machine, turning rolls of wire into nails ready to sell is easier than it looks. A compact, precise tool with guaranteed demand in carpentry, construction, and upholstery. It runs automatically. You just feed the wire, and the machine does the rest. One operator can produce hundreds of nails per hour. The investment? Starting at $1,500, you can get one. It doesn't take much space or need special permits, so you can set it up in your garage or workshop. By buying wire in bulk, you could manufacture large volumes every day. It's ideal because it produces something with constant demand, takes up little space, and requires no prior experience. And if that sounded interesting, wait for the next one. It turns trash into pure money. Literally. Number 9. Plastic shredding machine. Would you like to make money while helping the planet? And without leaving your house? With this plastic shredding machine, you can turn empty bottles into a valuable resource and start in the eco-business world. It works simply. You insert bottles or plastic containers, and within minutes, it turns them into plastic flakes ready to be sold as raw material. The investment? You can get them starting at $500 and up, depending on the model. And the best part is you don't need prior experience or a large space. Shredded plastic sells for between 30 and 50 cents per kilo. A basic machine can process up to 100 kilos per hour. This is an excellent option if you want to start with a low investment, generate quick income, and also help the environment. And that's not all. Later I'll show you other machines you can combine with this one to make your business even more complete. So don't leave the video. Number 8. Chalk making machine. Are you looking for a simple, affordable business that works all year round? The chalk making machine might be just what you need to start from home and sell in bulk. This equipment allows you to produce school, industrial, or artistic chalks quickly and with good profitability. You only need a mix of plaster, water, and color if you want to personalize. Pour it into molds, and that's it. You can find models starting at $500, whether manual, semi-automatic, or automatic. There are even compact options with interchangeable molds to vary shapes and sizes. The production cost is very low. Each chalk stick can cost you 3 cents, and they sell for between 10 and 30 cents depending on the type and presentation. It's an ideal option if you're looking for low risk, fast turnover, and lots of sales opportunities. And if this machine already sounds attractive, the next one will surprise you. Portable, modern, and with the potential to offer high-value services without leaving home. Number 7. Sheet metal bending machine. Did you know you can transform metal sheets into custom products and generate income from your own home workshop? With a sheet metal bending machine, you can do it with professional precision and without the need for large facilities. This equipment works with steel, aluminum, and brass, and allows you to fabricate parts for structures, furniture, electrical cabinets, or decorative elements with an excellent finish. You can get this machine starting at $800 for compact models, and if you're looking for more capacity or automation, the price goes up. But even a basic version lets you operate from home. It runs using software which performs the bends with precision. You just upload the design, place the sheet, and within minutes the part is ready. The main costs are electricity and the sheets, which range between $20 and $50 per sheet. A single well-made part can double its value, and depending on the client, you can charge per unit or per hour of work. Alright, and if this machine seemed powerful to you, the next one is the complete opposite. Compact, portable, and perfect for those who want to start from home without complications. Number 6. Portable carpet edging machine. Who would have thought the edge of a carpet could become your source of income? With a portable edging machine and a bit of thread, you can offer a highly demanded service that's easy to operate and perfect for starting from home with a low investment. Its function is to reinforce and beautify the edges of carpets, rugs, or mats, giving them a professional finish that prevents fraying. You can find models starting at $1,200, ideal for starting at home, even with limited space. And if the business grows, you can scale up to industrial versions. The process is simple. You pass the edge of the carpet through the machine, adjust the thread tension, and apply the edging. You can also customize colors and styles to give it a unique touch. Edging a 2-meter carpet can cost you less than $1 in materials, and you can charge up to $10 depending on the finish. And if this machine turns fabric into income, the next one transforms bottles into unique pieces that sell like art. Number 5. Glass bottle cutting machine. An empty bottle doesn't have to go in the trash. It could become your next source of income. With this glass bottle cutter, you can turn containers into decorative pieces and start a creative, accessible business from home. It's a compact tool that allows you to cut cylindrical bottles with precision. There are models starting at $30, and you don't need any experience to start creating. The process? Very simple. This machine uses a cutting disc system. You just place the bottle, rotate it, and in a few seconds you get a clean, precise cut. The materials are almost free. You can get bottles from bars or restaurants, and you only need sandpaper and some decorative elements. And if you sell personalized sets or partner with decor stores, your income can grow even more. Plus, it's a sustainable business, ideal for selling on social media, at fairs, or in artisan shops. And if this machine turns waste into art, the next one takes that eco-friendly spirit to another level. Number 4. Plastic compactor machine. If you're already recycling, it's time to take the next step and do it more efficiently. A plastic compactor allows you to better organize your space, make transporting the material easier, and increase its resale value. All from home. It also improves the presentation of the material, something recycling centers really appreciate, as they prefer plastic that's neat and ready for processing. There are models available starting at $1,500, and if you already have a good flow of material, which you can get with machine number 9, your combined profits can be quite attractive. It's a smart investment if you're already in the recycling business and want to optimize your space, increase your income, and keep helping the planet. And if your thing is definitely turning plastic into new products, the next machine is going to be your favorite. Number 3. Recycled plastic extruder machine. What if instead of just selling recycled plastic, you turned it into something much more valuable? With an extruder, you can create filaments, profiles, or pellets from home. It's ideal for supplying industries or manufacturing your own products. Prices start at $3,000 and up, depending on the model and its capacity. Although the investment is higher, so is the profitability. This is an excellent option if you're looking for a more technical business, with real growth potential and a positive impact on the environment. And if you found it interesting to create with recycled plastic, the next machine will also match your interests. Number 2. Tire shredding machine. Are you interested in recycling but looking to work with something different from plastic or paper? The tire shredder could be your best ally to start a business with a rarely used material that's in high demand. This machine turns used tires into rubber granules that are reused in rubber flooring, sports tracks, industrial carpets, or construction and landscaping projects. You can get tires from auto shops or scrap yards at a very low cost, and then shred them to sell the recycled rubber by the kilo. The investment? Starting at $2,000 depending on the model. In addition to being profitable, this business helps reduce one of the most polluting types of waste on the planet. And if this machine turns tires into opportunities, the next one transforms waste into bricks that build homes. Number 1. Eco-friendly brick making machine. Did you know you can produce strong, sustainable bricks using recycled materials? With this machine, you can turn waste like plastic, ash, or organic leftovers into blocks ideal for construction. Eco-friendly bricks are lightweight, durable, and increasingly valued by the construction industry for their low environmental impact. This machine, available starting at $3,000, allows you to make bricks for walls, floors, or low-impact structures. And the best part? You can operate it from home without the need for heavy machinery. A smart way to start a business and contribute to sustainable construction. And that's it. These were the 10 ideal machines to start your own business. All of them are just a click away. Just look them up on platforms like Alibaba and get ready to start generating income. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which of these machines caught your attention the most? See you in the next video with more ideas to bring you one step closer to financial freedom.